everyone, it's Jessica, flight attendant flipper. For those who are new to my channel, I'm a full-time flight attendant and part-time reseller on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, and sometimes The RealReal. For those who are not new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for being a loyal viewer, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, hit the like and subscribe button, and you'll get notifications when I have new videos like this, which happens to be a ThredUP shoe unboxing. So for those who don't know, ThredUP also sells rescue boxes, and this was a box of 15 pairs of shoes for I think $84 after shipping and everything. So I have cut open the box, but I haven't looked in the box. I wanted to do that in real time with you. So let's see if this is a dud or if we are gonna make some money on this one. All right, here we go. Okay, so a pair of Coach wedges. These aren't bad. They're actually, I don't think they've really been worn outside. These are cute. Now the season is pretty much over for this, so I may have to wait until next year to sell them. But these are cute. I can't tell what size they are. Oh, they're a size 11. That's great. They're a really good size. Okay, well these are cute. All right, let's see. I'm trying to find things that match. Okay. All right. So, I may redonate these, even though these also maybe have been just worn once. And Soft is a comfortable brand. So these are a pair of Soft sandals. Again, the season is like gone at this point. So we'll see. Okay. A pair of Esprit flip-flops. I mean, not fantastic, but also, I don't know, maybe I'll redonate these. Maybe I'll just give them to my daughter. Who knows? All right. So far, nothing super exciting. Oh, these are cute. These are a lot of summer shoes, though. These are cute, though. So Vince Camuto slides in gold. These are really cute. Also, very little signs of wear. They probably wore them once. What size are you? I don't see a size. I'll have to search. Where are you? I don't see a size. Okay, and these are Franco Sardos. These are kind of cute. Little blue suede action, buckle in the back. Also, like probably worn once. Decent condition. These look like they're smaller. They actually look like they may be my size. Hold on. I think that says it's a 6, which would make them my size. So I don't know, maybe. Where's the other one? Here's the other one that goes to that. All right, so far we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs of shoes so far. All right, okay, so these are some Sperry Topsiders boat shoes. Have some wear on them. Not so bad. You can probably get like $20, $25 for these. They're cute. All right. What is this? What is? No. What? I don't know. What is that? Oof, what is that? I think, is this like a fast fashion brand? Because this right here, I don't even see a label. It doesn't smell expensive. I don't know. I think this is like a fast fashion brand, but this is going right back to, nope, this is a no. Okay, so we are 7 pairs of shoes in. This is pair number 8. Okay, something a little bit more appropriate for the time of year. But who are we? And there's a little dot right there. I mean, oh, really? Okay. These are J. Crew? These are J. Crew. All right, these are something. Okay, so these are some J. Crew boots. It has a little stain right there, that one dot. Let's see what the other one looks like. Seems to be in good condition. All right, I'm not mad at it. These are nice. Okay, so that was pair number 8. Now we're gonna go pair number 9. Supergas. Seems to be in decent condition. I don't even know how much these go for anymore, but these are a size 39, so that's like a size US 8.5. Okay, so now we're going to pair number 10. Okay. Oh wait, these are actually cute, and if these are my size, then they're mine. Okay, so these are Nikes. Oh, what size are you? Yeah, 4.5 youth. So these actually may fit me perfectly. And if they do, I'm keeping them. These are so cute. And they're in like really good condition. Yay. Okay, I like these. These are for me, I think. All right, okay. This is a pair of 9 West. These are really fun. Look at that heel. Yes. Okay, I see her. These are in really good condition. They probably wore them once. She probably wore them one night, made her impression, and then went home and said, I'm not wearing these ever again. Because I can't imagine that they'd be comfortable. These are a size 7. These are really cute. Peep toe, high heel. And what do we have here? This is Circus by Sam Edelman. Seems to be in very good condition. So I will look these up and see if these are the laces that are supposed to go with these shoes. What size are we? I don't know. I don't see size info. I'll have to get back to you on the size. I don't know. Oh, these are cute. Okay, some low top Converse All-Stars in white, and they're actually still white. This is great, and the laces are nice and clean, and the bottoms are great. This is good. This is a good box. There's a little stain right there, but like this is a good box, honestly. In terms of profit, definitely make your money back and then some. Oh, my Adidas. Okay, I like these. I don't know what model these are, but these are so cute. Look at these. How cute. The hard tops. The shell tops, rather. The Adidas shell tops with the silver. Yes. Oh, I like these. Got the little tray foil on the tongue. Also white on white. These are a size 11. Anyway, we'll see. These are nice though, and barely any wear on the bottom. These are nice. Okay, these are some Michael Kors wedges. And it's got the little MK down there. Aren't these cute? Again, I think the season is almost behind us, so they may not sell till next year, and I'm trying to find a size. These are a 9.5. These are very cute. I think I know someone who may want them. So yes, that is it. I think overall it was a good box. I mean, I think that I'm definitely it's gonna pay for itself. I'm probably gonna make a significant profit. So yeah, I think this was a good one. No Tory Burch like I got in the last one, but you can't get a Tory Burch in every box. So let me know what you thought about this box. If you thought it was worth $84 for all these shoes. I think so. What was your favorite find in the box? And if you have purchased a ThredUP rescue box, what has been your best get in the surprise box? Thank you so much for watching. Again, happy thrifting and fly safe. Bye.